Hi, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a lanyard, or you can turn this into a wristlet. If you want to learn how to do this, stay with me till the end. And while you are here, please subscribe, ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial, share and like my video. The materials are going to be listed in the info box down below this video, so don't forget to check this out. Okay, so to start your lanyard, take your yarn and your hook and chain a total of 6. Once you have this done, go in your second chain from the hook and make a single crochet. Now single crochet in each chain across. At the end of your first row, you are going to have a total of 5 single crochets. Now chain 1 and turn. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Again, you are going to have a total of 5 single crochets. Now work like this for a total of 6 single crochet rows. Now chain 1 and take your ring and put your crochet piece inside of the ring like so and fold together. And now we are going to close by making another row of single crochets. So single crochet through both of your pieces to close. Again for a total of 5 single crochets. Now chain 3, turn your work. This counts as your first double crochet, yarn over, skip 1 and in the next stitch we are going to make a puff V-stitch. So for this, go inside of the stitch for a total of 4 times. Close your loops, chain 1 to secure and chain 1 more. Now make another puff stitch in the same stitch, so go back in the stitch for a total of 4 times. Close all of your loops, chain 1 to secure puff stitch. Now yarn over, skip the next stitch and in your last stitch you are going to make 1 double crochet. And this is your puff V-stitch. I'm going to show you one more time, so chain 3 and turn your work. This is going to be your first double crochet, yarn over, and now we are going to work in our 1 chain space. So make your puff V-stitch, go inside of your loop, follow total of 4 times, then close all of your loops, chain 1 to secure and chain another one, and another puff stitch in the same 1 chain space. Close your loops, chain 1 to secure and 1 double crochet in your 3rd chain. So repeat this row till you have a total of 30 rows and then meet me back once you have this done. Okay, so I have here my 30 30 rows of puff V-stitch. Now we are going to make one more row of single crochet, so for this, chain 1 and turn your work. This doesn't count as a stitch. Make one single crochet in your very first stitch, one single crochet on top of your puff stitch, one single crochet in your one chain space, one single crochet on top of your puff stitch, and one single crochet in your third chain. You have again 5 single crochets. Now chain 1 and cut your yarn. Leave a long tail, enough to sew your pieces together. Thread your needle. Fold your piece like so. You see, this is how you are going to fold your piece. And now we are going to sew our piece together right here where our puff V-stitch starts, and try to sew in each stitch. Now tie a few knots and weave all your loose ends in and cut your yarn, and you are good to go. So my lovelies, I'm at the end of my tutorial. I hope you had fun and you've enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed it creating it for you. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time with a new tutorial. Bye bye!